Blossom, David, can you hear me? You give an indication. Testing. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, so just an update on the current situation. We will still have tuition. That means if you want to come here, it's still okay, yeah? Because they didn't say that you all cannot come. But like what David is doing, if you prefer to be online, just let us know. Then you can just come online. Okay, we are okay with either way because we can still conduct classes like this. Okay, so what we have for today is I didn't know can come. Hannah, yeah, it can come. It's fine. Okay, but you're online, so it's fine as well.
You can't see them on your screen, you know.
They are shy, huh?
No, it's in that.
Hey? What happened? What's happening? Yeah.
Yeah, this time you can't be David because it's not in control.
There. Okay, good. Right, here they are. Alright, so if you want to come online, it's fine. We are perfectly okay there. Okay, we have some, okay, not all, but most of the students still prefer to come for physical lesson. Okay, like they prefer to come here physically. So today what I'm going to go through is a final year paper because it's finally going to be in August now. Today is the 24th of July. You are probably at the last few chapters of your school, and the fact is that we actually covered a lot of stuff in the Sec 1. So we are actually ready to do some final year paper. So that's why I printed and distributed the final year paper. And for Blossom and Davian, I'm just going to show it on the screen right now. Okay, give me 1 second. So the rest of you who are here, you have the paper. Can you just try do the MCQ now?
I don't have a pen. I can't find my pencil case.
We have pen. Can you pass me the pencil case? Yeah, thanks. Okay, can you just take a look at the final year paper? We'll be doing at least about 5 or 6 final year papers.
So bully us.
What?
Bully me.
Huh? You're not bully.
I think bully because she has to do the work.
What do you mean she has to do the
can't
work?
use her phone.
You don't want to use your phone. Okay, Davian, Blossom, wait.
Do you take this from any schools?
This is from Gun ACS, I think. Is it ACS?
ACS?
Yeah, I think so.
ACS what?
Barker?
I don't know. Let me go and get our Google Drive.
And then
How come you like make the cover?
2019. They're all 2019.
2019.
Oh, yeah, okay, Google.
2019 what ACS?
Probably-
2019 is what ACS? What do you mean?
Like this independent.
I don't know. I must go and find
Check
it.
ah.
I'm finding
Yeah,
out.
after you check, then we need the end of the year, right?
Dude, don't
You
go.
search our answers.
What's the point of searching the answer?
Faster.
No lah, that's not the
No,
point.
because the school is curious.
Wait.
So I know what's stand up the people of the school.
Standard of the school.
If it's Barker, it's very low standard.
Teaching material. Today is a Saturday. Today you are Sec 1 Science. Oh, so many. No, it's this one. Assumption.
What's that?
Assumption.
Assumption secondary school.
Yeah.
And then
They have the same logo as secondary.
Assumption.
okay, you can go search for the answers now.
No lah. Do try and do. Don't bother to search for answer.
Is it end of year or mid of year?
Of course, end of year.
Can you scroll down all the way?
Why use me here? No, it's end of year. Okay, so you can see what type of questions they ask for the end of year. Okay.
Questions I don't know.
Download here. Sorry, it's coming up now. Good. So many pages. How much time you have for the end of year paper?
I don't know. We haven't did any exams. So
Yeah.
it's like 2 hours.
Let me see. Yeah. Still
Oh, correct.
Castle Sec 1 Express 11121315. Assumption English School. Okay, so for Blossom and Davian,
2019
Yeah, it is in the Google Drive. Okay, it is in the Google Drive. So if you want, you can actually go and download it and take a look at the paper. Okay, I'll send you the link to the paper which is inside our drive. One second. Or if not, you can look at it from here as well. Share. Copy.
Expression.
Get link. Copy link. Okay. Check. Okay, I pasted the link. I'm pasting the link here. Okay, so you can go and download as well. Okay, if not, you can just look at the question here. Okay, we'll go through the whole paper. Now, this whole paper is 2 hours. So I won't be actually waiting for you all to do. I'll just give you about 5 to 10 minutes, take a look at whatever is inside here.
Oh,
And we will, yeah, we'll go through on the spot.
Oh, we're not meant to do, okay.
We will go through on the spot. Okay, I won't wait because it's 2 hours. We only have 1.5 hours. How to finish?
That's the next week.
I know, but I don't want to take so long just to do one paper. Imagine we take 2 weeks to do one paper. That will be, how long is it?
That's very efficient.
Every month can only do 2 papers, So do you know when is your final year exam?
Nope.
It is end September, okay? Because holidays is in October. Holidays in October, so end September. That means you have 1 month. Imagine I can only do 2 papers if I do 2 papers per week. No, 1 paper in 2 weeks. So that's too slow. Okay?
That's not that bad.
That's too slow, right? Okay, now David and Blossom, are y'all referring to the one you download, or are y'all okay with looking at the screen? If y'all okay, I won't wait for y'all to download. I'll just go through. Screen. Oh, very good. All right, unanimous decision. Okay, so we just go through whatever is in the screen, right? So final year paper MCQ 30 marks. Let's see how it is. They test everything from the beginning of the year until the end. Okay, now some of the topics your school may not be tested. Just let me know. Then we won't go through that. Okay, so first one, which statements are correct? We're gonna have everyone give me an answer. Okay, which statements are correct? Advancement in science are always beneficial. Science is the study of our physical world. Scientific knowledge is derived from observation. We use instruments that must make accurate measurements. Everyone, answer. Give me an answer. Everyone, not individually. C. How about you? C also. Rachel? C. And Ashley? You can pass the attendance once it's signed. C also. Okay, how about our online people?
They can literally just...
Okay, oh, sorry. Am I blocking them? No, right? It's the chat. I think
they can't see chat.
they can't see chat. Okay. But I must see what their response is. Okay, what's this Blossom and David, what's the answer?
You can make chat smaller.
But there's a minimum. That's it.
Okay, you can make it smaller, like in terms of artwork. Then you put it on your top left. top left. Not top right. Oh, that's left for you. God, right.
Excuse me, Davian and Blossom. Can y'all hear me?
You say D.
D, yeah. Davian said
Davian
D.
said D.
I anyhow.
Davian just search up the answer on Google.
Yeah.
No, they have the answer. They have the link.
Oh, I can just go to the link and scroll down all the way. The answer is there.
Okay, in science, 1 is wrong. You see 1. They say it's always beneficial. So 1 is wrong. Now, since 1 is wrong, C is the best answer. Okay?
C is so smart.
This one is C. Answer is C.
Doesn't even answer.
Yeah, where's Blossom? Blossom, are you there, Blossom? This Jim is not happy with that answer.
No. That's unfair. Like, you always call me.
No, I call everyone. This time round.
Usually you always call me.
Yeah, because I can see you first.
Next time I shouldn't join the meeting.
When you were there, I'll be like looking there. No, your name for some reason is always on top. I don't know why. You see the list? The list like this, right? You're always the first one. I don't know why. I don't know
I'm
why.
always waiting at like
Huh?
What time do we start? 4 o'clock, right?
4:30.
4:30.
4:30.
I'll be in the thing at 4.
I see. Then
And I'll just go toilet
you're
first.
always the top of the list, right? I don't know why.
I'll go
Okay.
toilet first. Then because every time I join the meeting, I can hear a sound. Then I'll be
Ah,
the meeting started. Let's go.
Okay. Next. Okay, the following symbols were found on the bottle of reagent. Which of the following do not show the safety precaution that should be taken when using this? Which one is wrong? Do not leave it near an open flame. Using a stopper to seal. Sarah, do it yourself.
I'm doing.
I know you're looking at your phone.
Nice
Don't
answers,
look at your
man.
phone, Sarah. There's no point. There's no point in copying
Yeah, there's
everything.
no
on.
point.
Yeah, what's the answer? Come to.
Only if they are online, then there's a point. because
You see
it's
here,
just
if you get it wrong, I won't scold you. Here is also
C.
this also not a.
It's C.
Okay, it says C.
Okay, now the next question.
Wait. Let's see everybody else. Rachel, actually, C also. C also. Then Davian and Blossom.
The online peeps.
Which of the following do not show the safety precaution that should be taken?
Wait,
Which of the following does or do not show?
Wait, they moved the National Day parade to the 21st, right?
Yeah.
Does that mean there's no class? There's no class on the 21st. It's a Saturday.
But the holiday is on the 9th.
Right?
We follow the holiday, the public holiday. The parade, there's still parade on the 9th. It's just
But
that
it's just the big group.
the big thing is on the 21st. Yeah. Oh wait, okay, change answer. They say which one do not show? Do not show the safety precaution. Hey, how about Davian? Now Davian disappeared. Davian. Wait. They say do not show, no.
Are you downloading the link? Because that's a good idea.
Do not show. Now what is this? This exclamation mark, what is it?
I forgot.
This is toxic, right?
Yeah.
This is toxic. So maybe got fumes or something. A, yeah. So the answer is A. Because living near open flame, the thing is the flammable sign, right? Yeah, so there's no flammable sign. So it doesn't mean it does not show that you don't live in near the flame. Okay, what is this? Actually, I don't remember. Exclamation mark.
Is it the corrode?
Wait, no, it's not corrosive. Exclamation mark, what is this? Safety sign. Immediate skin, eye, or respiratory tract irritant. Okay, this is a respiratory. That means it's a gas you can breathe in.
But what's the name of it?
What's the name?
We need to find out.
It says exclamation mark. Hazard symbol. This one. Where do you go?
It's just exclamation mark. That's literally the name.
Pictogram cheat sheet.
Look, it's literally just exclamation mark.
It's used as a chemical hazard. It's called exclamation mark. Alright, chemical hazard. It's irritant. Yeah, okay. So irritant means you can breathe in, right? So yeah, you must use a stopper and use protective gear because it's toxic. Okay, next. Okay, Jordan noticed the outer surround of the washing T-shirt shrank, then conduct scientific experiment. Oh man. What is the correct? Which of the following correctly corresponds with the key elements of the scientific method? Wow, all these are revision of all the stuff that you studied before. Measure the size of the T-shirt. Recorded depth. 2 is conclude that cotton result in greater shrinkage.
I think it's D.
D. Collecting data. Okay, so this is like collecting data.
I'm not sure.
This one, yeah. This predicting. Predicting is hypothesis. Right. So 4 is A. So it's either this one or this one.
I think it's D.
Right. Collecting data. 3. Choose 2 T-shirts. Wash them under. Carry out the experiment. Answer is D. Good. Right. Any question on this? This type are very easy, and sometimes sometimes you just have to read. It's an English thing, right? So I'm not gonna dwell on this. Okay. So this is just D. Right. Next one. Okay, here comes the science stuff. What's the reading shown? Everyone? Sarah?
Don't know.
Oh, I forgot how to do this.
Read look at the reading.
I forgot to do
You
this.
didn't learn this, okay? Never mind. So if you skip the vernier calipers, it's fine. This is the vernier scale. The top is the vernier scale. The bottom is the main scale. For those who have learned, right? I know David learned before. Yes,
David
Rachel.
was the one that always gave the answers.
Rachel.
Oh.
Oh. Ashley. Oh. You also never learned it,
I don't remember how to do. I didn't listen.
So you learn.
I didn't listen. Yeah.
but you don't know how to do.
I think it's C.
C.
I don't know. I don't know.
1, 2.
I never listened.
Oh.
I learned.
Sarah, you also don't know. But are you tested?
Maybe.
Maybe. Rachel, are you tested on this? Definitely yes, right?
This is which chapter?
Chapter 1, vernier caliper, or chapter 2?
That's one.
WH3 or the first one?
The very beginning of the year when you first step into school. Those kind of stuff. But actually, are you tested on this? Have you touched the vernier calipers before? Yeah, so you're tested, okay? Wait, how come nobody knows? Oh, David knows. 7.23. Okay, so let's see whether David is correct. Now, what do? First, we look at the zero. Look at this zero, all right? Where is this zero? This is 7. Then this line is 7.1. This line is 7.2. This line is 7.3. This one is 7.4. Now, vernier calipers has got 2 decimal places. So you see the 0 is between 7.3 and 7.4. That means the reading is 7.3 something. One more time. First thing you do, look at this reading, the 0. Okay, this 0 is between 7.3 and 7.4. So it's 7.3 something. Okay, so what is this something? Now to find, shit, I saw wrong.
I don't think, how do you count
So-
0.23?
Alright, so now I've determined the first 2 digits. I need to find the third digit. So how to find the third digit? You must find the line that's aligned. So which one is aligned? This one. Okay, can you see it's a line?
Oh, I just looked at the zeros more to the side. 710.
I got. Alright, so you look at this line. This line is a line. So you count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this.
That's a very nice tree.
This is 3. Right, so this is the 1, 3. That means 7.33. So answer is C. Yeah, Davian corrected himself at the last minute.
No way I did this. The 0, like 7.3 after the 0
Yeah.
on top, right? It's
Yeah.
more to the side. It's like
Yeah,
not after 5. So
Makes sense. I know, makes sense, right? So you cannot be D, right? So must be C. Yeah. Okay. Very good, right? So you see, we go through all this to revise.
Oh.
Okay, which one is a conical flask?
C.
C, conical flask. Anyone has other answers? Okay, what is A? What's A? Sarah, what's A?
Filter tunnel.
Filter tunnel. Filter tunnel.
Forgot.
Actually, what's A? Sorry, what is it?
Funnel.
Funnel, yeah, filter funnel. Filter tunnel. Okay, what is D? What is D?
A table.
No, it's not a table. D. What's D? Rachel,
It's like a tripod stand.
what's D?
Something stand.
Tripod stand. Okay,
Oh,
you're right.
right.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, about this, what's B?
It's not,
Let's
it's
ask.
not non-bottom flask.
Let's ask Davian. Davian, what is B?
It's a flask.
What's the name of this? Davian or Blossom? Ah, very good. Flat bottom flask, correct. Okay, this is called the flat bottom flask. So this is the conical flask. So the answer is C.
Yeah.
All right, conical flask. Next one. Very good.
Oh, I forgot it.
The air hole of a Bunsen burner can be opened or closed to obtain two types of flame. So the colors of the flame are labeled in the diagram below. Dark blue, dark blue. Huh? Okay, it's this open and this close. All right, open and close. So which option states the color of W and X? W and X.
C.
C. W orange. Open air hole.
Eh? No.
Close. This one's
B
closed.
is B is B.
B. B. Correct. So which one is hotter? B is correct. Okay. B. Which one is hotter? Is it the
Close.
blue
The
color
open
or the orange one?
The open one.
Yeah, blue color is hotter. Okay. Which one is called luminous? Which one is non-luminous?
Orange is the luminous.
Yeah, orange is called luminous. Blue is non-luminous, right? So this is dangerous. Okay, the blue color. Actually, both are dangerous, right? But this one is hotter. Blue color is hotter. Good. Next. Whoa, what's this? Okay, this physical property. Arrange a substance according to increasing hardness. So what's the definition of hardness? The ability to scratch.
The other.
Yeah, the other item. So which one is hardest? Increasing, sorry, the softest to the hardest. They want soft to hard. X scratch Y.
Zinc is the weakest.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So zinc is the weakest. That means it's either C or D, right?
Zinc, bronze, iron.
Okay. Titanium is the hardest, yeah? You see? All of them cannot scratch. So still this one, right? So which one?
Zinc, bronze, iron, titanium.
Yeah. Okay, so look at bronze. Bronze
Only
can scratch zinc.
but not iron.
No, cannot scratch iron, correct. So bronze, so the answer is C. Okay, good. David and Blossom, any question so far? Because I cannot see your expression. I don't know whether you're okay or not. Next. All right, what's the volume of the liquid? So the other thing is, what's the name of this curve? What's the name of this curvature of water? What's the name of this curvature?
I forgot.
It starts with the letter M. Anybody know?
The people online should know.
What's the name of this curvature? Sarah? What's the name of this curvature? M.
The people online will know.
M-E-N.
Meniscus.
Yeah, meniscus. Right, so the curvature of water is called the meniscus. So when the water curve in this way, we read from the bottom. right at the bottom. So this is this line. Look at this line. What did it say? Wow.
Just 55.
Yes, definitely 55 point something. Is it 8? Okay, really got to zoom in. 9. Okay,
Yeah, check below.
0.9. Okay, so answer is B. B. Next one. Okay, this is your try. What's the volume of the cork? Your try. Calculate.
Of the what?
The cork. Hmm?
Is it B?
I don't know. Let's check everyone's answer.
I don't know.
Okay, David and Blossom, just type your answer for 9. Sarah, question 9. Question 9. Hey, Sarah, look at your eraser. Don't waste eraser. No.
I'm using it.
Huh? You're using it? What do you mean?
She's using the eraser to cut. Yeah. Stop wasting. She's using it like this.
I don't get it.
I'm gonna use this one.
Oh, okay. Okay, but you're supposed to do question 9 now. Okay. Focus. Okay, David say A. Wait, what do you say?
B.
B. You also B. Richard. B. A, right? Half of you say A. How about Blossom?
It's half B, half.
Yeah, half B, half A. What's happening?
What's happening?
Yeah, what's happening? B. Hello?
42.
What is that? Okay, so
So it's two-thirds is.
Let's see what happens when I
okay, let's see. Now you see the volume of the liquid is 20 cm3. Then when you put the rock inside, it became 41.5. Okay, what does it mean? That means the rock is 21.5. Okay, the rock is 21.5. So rock plus cork is 48.5. So I take 48.5 minus 21.5. I'm gonna get 27. Okay, so 27 is water with cork. Then after that, I must minus 20. So the answer is 7.
You can just done 48.5 minus 41.5.
What? This one minus this? Yeah, also can. So 7, the answer is B. Hey, what y'all say A? What's A? 3.5. How do you get A?
I don't know what to get.
How do you get A? Who say A? How do you get A? Mr. Blossom. No. David. I wanted to say Mr.
I
David.
say Mr. Blossom.
I want to say David.
Mr. Blossom.
I want to say David. Then suddenly the word, the B
Mr. Blossom.
by getting, I don't understand.
He got A by getting A.
Is to get A. I don't know. Next. Okay, density. See, you need to bring your calculator into your exam. Okay.
Forgot. I haven't changed the battery on my calculator for 2 years.
Yeah, you must bring calculator into exam. Science exam. Please find the density now.
I forgot how to do density.
What's the formula for density?
5 minus.
Sarah.
Wait, I forgot what's density.
Sarah.
What?
Mass over volume.
Yes.
Is it
Density.
a speed?
What are you talking about?
Speed has mass and
Speed equals
volume.
distance over time.
Oh,
Speed is the DST triangle.
Yeah,
This is the-
behavior change. We need to send the council.
Now you know why I got like F9 for F9, right?
Huh? You got F9 from there?
Yeah, she never told you.
No, I don't.
She didn't there.
Didn't dare? Why?
If she never tells you about the results of her next exam, you should know that means she failed.
Oh, it's okay lah. Can say one.
6.
Come, calculate the density, everyone, of the aluminum balls.
B.
B. You take out calculator.
B 有 mark 那个，
Hmm?
我没有 mark。
Handphone 吗？
handphone 没有 mark。
我没有 handphone 的。
What three erasers?
Mass over volume. Okay, Rachel.
I think how I got the answer, right?
What?
You got the answer.
Yeah.
The answer is B.
How about Ashley? And Rachel?
B.
B. How about David? And Blossom?
They're gonna say B. Actually, David won't say B because he doesn't trust me.
But I also said B, so that means.
Trust yourself, okay? Do yourself. Trust yourself.
Say E.
I have no self-trust.
B. David said B.
It's E.
How about Ashley and Rachel?
Guys, it's A by the way. So it's not. Can I change my answer to F?
There's no F.
There is. In the area.
No, there isn't. Rachel. B. Why? How? In your working?
It's not like 6, and then like all the 4 is good, then 162, like 60 because your
Volume.
that minus 50.
Volume. Okay.
And then it's 2.
That's what?
And then 2 by 7, and then you get B, and then
What are you talking about? Like that, I don't know what I'm talking about, right? But do you pass your oral English? Probably yes. Okay, but you gotta, huh? Maybe. Oh, you didn't talk like that, okay? You talk even faster.
Very fast, but then the murder actually is still fast.
They asked for 6 balls. So what's your answer, Blossom?
My answer is answer.
Hmm? What's the answer?
Also say that
What do you
you see the table.
What did you raise the table?
Got marks one.
16.2. 16.2. Okay, so let's see how it works. Now, does it matter? Okay, what you need to do is you have to, there are 2 ways. You either find the mass of 6 of them, and then you divide by the volume of 6 of them, or you find the mass of 1 of them and divide by the volume of 1 of them. Okay? D, change to D. What's happening? Okay, so first, what's the formula? Density equals mass over volume. Okay, all the online people has changed to D. Let's see whether
27 times 6 is 162.
Wait a minute.
How do you get only the mass?
Wait. So let's find the mass. Now each of the mass is 27. Okay, so let's say I choose to find one by one.
Wait, you think it's 1 by 1, right? How does a 27 increase to 162?
I don't know. Oh, yeah. How decrease to 162?
Increase to 162.
They times 6. They want to multiply by 6.
Yeah, but you say you can either do 1, right? Or
Yeah.
you can do 6, right?
Yeah.
If you do 1, how come the answer?
Okay, I'll show you both. Right? So this is 1. This is for 1 ball. What's the volume? Here is 60, right? 60 cm cube. So 60 cm cube is for 6 balls. So the volume of 1 is 10, correct? So 27 divided by 10 is 2.7. All right. So this is the density. Now let's say if I do 6. 60 divided by 64 is 10. Okay. No, you don't times 6 again. This 2.7, don't times 6 again. You see, if I were to do six of them, now what's the mass of 6 of them?
162.
162. 162 divided by, what's the volume of 6 of them?
60.
60. What do you get? 2
For
point.
0.45.
What 0.45? 2.7.
Yeah, 2.7. I
Yeah,
know.
2.7.
I did the wrong as well.
Yeah.
I added the wrong thing as well.
So either way, you get 2.7.
It's just like I typed something weird. I was like, how is 0.45?
Yeah, but good try, okay? You went to multiply by 6. But you don't do it that way. You take the mass of 6 divided by the volume of 6, or you take the mass of 1 divided by the volume of 1. You get the same density. Next. That's why it's so important to go through all this. Okay, which position to avoid parallax error?
C.
Yeah, that's easy. C. Vertical, right? 90 degrees perpendicular to the.
There's no B.
What?
A, C, and D.
Okay, which property is the reason why tungsten is a suitable material for filament? Filament in the light bulb?
I thought filament is part of plant.
Yes, it is, but it's also used as a word to describe that part in the light bulb.
Melting point.
Okay, say C. How about Sarah and Ashley and Rachel? Hey, where's my chat?
You lost it just now.
Oh, C. Melting point. Yeah, C is correct. Okay, why? Because it has very high melting point. It will not melt. I think like few thousand degrees Celsius. It needs like few thousand degrees Celsius to melt. Next one. Tires are made of what? As it is what and can withstand high temperature and friction. These are all the materials, the properties of matter. Okay, that chapter. We have hardness, electrical conductivity, and all that stuff.
Okay, this is C.
Tires are made of
Rubber. I don't know.
car tires. What is it made of?
Rubber.
Can it be metal?
Yeah.
No.
Natural.
Car tires made of
Wait,
plastic.
there's two of the same answers.
Yeah. Yeah, answer is C, okay? Very good. Next. Mommy. Okay, chemistry. Which one shows a mixture of two different elements? Okay, Rachel. Which one shows everyone? Which one shows a mixture of two different elements? So what's the definition of mixture? Two or more
C.
substances.
Answer C.
Okay, you say C. Okay, how about the rest? Lawson also C. How about Davian?
Yellow.
Huh?
Yeah, that's my answer.
What?
Yellow.
Where got yellow?
Cause I yellow.
C. Davian also C. Richard and Ashley? C. Davian also C. Okay, everyone say C. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, mixture of two different elements. Yours says C, which is 3 and 4. So 1 and 2 it shows compounds. Why is 1 and 2 compounds?
They're connectors.
Yeah, 2. What's the definition of compound, Sarah?
Two or more chemically combined.
2 or more? No.
Chemical.
No.
Two or more different substances.
Different elements, yeah, chemically combined. See, this one. This one cannot. You must say element. Two or more different elements chemically combined. Right? So this one cannot be. This one cannot be.
Oh.
So what?
Now you know how I feel when you complain hot.
So now we want mixture. Now this is an element because it's by itself. Element. This one also element. Same stuff. So element. Okay. So the answer is C. Goody.
And I appreciate it's hot and bring it down to 19 degrees or 18 degrees. Like just now.
Okay, next one. Decomposition occurs when sugar is heated. Which statement about decomposition is true? So sugar is a compound. Okay, this guy is a compound. When you heat the compound, you get two different things. So which statement is true? You can adjust what?
Just
Just don't make 24.
what's the temperature?
Is it
25?
Yeah, you see? Mm-hmm.
I got 25. Alright, how about Rachel actually?
Wait, you said you got 25.
Did I say 25? Why did I say 25?
It's
Where is
eight,
25
eight,
together?
You said I got 25.
Did I say 25? Why? Why did I say 25? Okay, I got 8. Wait, but why would I say I got something?
You said I got 25. You thought someone said 25.
You got A. Okay, A. Alright, A. Damien said C. Wait, Rachel, you said A, is it?
No, that C was from just now.
A. Rachel? Ashley. Ashley. A. You cover, must
So
cover.
cold.
Hey, then
Yeah, swap back now.
can adjust? Like you want me to adjust the thing?
No, swap back.
Yeah, so bad.
No, it's okay. I
So
think if
bad.
I would have been hot. So.
Okay, A is correct. Because this is being broken down, right? The compound being heated, so it's a chemical reaction. Break down to simpler substances, carbon and water vapor. Next one. Easy, yeah, so far. Oh yeah. Separation technique. Yeah, what is this called? Chromatography. Chromatography. Which two sugars does the mixture contain? You gotta draw a line. Okay.
Answer C.
I'll just mention it.
Actually not too tough, right?
Why is there so many C's?
I want to watch the Olympics.
Draw one line. So 2 and 4. Okay. C. Jim was very fast. Next. Okay. Digestion. Okay. Now, if you are not tested on digestion, then you wouldn't know this. But if you use your general knowledge, you can also know this. Okay. So you just going to go ahead and do. Yo. Cover. Is it too cold now? Can you swap? She cannot take it already. But is it
I think already.
no lah, don't make it so warm because over here really very warm now.
Hey, I can start complaining like her. It's so hot. Bring it on.
Yeah, here really warm. Here warm. Here is warm.
But actually, like, it's quite dusty here.
Here is very cold.
Quite dusty, my head.
Because this one, the wind go into the.
I'm gonna go get you.
Huh? It's quite warm.
Stop or just stay.
I feel very warm now.
I will stay.
Over
They
here.
should move that a bit.
Huh?
Move that a bit.
I don't know. Okay, let's take a look at 17. Tom, what do you get?
I put
D. Humans can pick the time difference.
I don't know what it is. Wait, let me rethink. I don't want to get one wrong.
Rice is an important part of diet, which supplies body. Who is doing digestion? Anyone? Digestion. Have or not? Do you have? Don't know? Have you done? No. Blossom and Davian, is your school doing digestion? This chapter is under digestion. Don't have. Okay. Both don't have. Okay, now I go through. So why a variety in rice is important? Because
I think it's C.
it's not.
Yeah, it's
the
C.
reason.
It's C. I think it's C. It's C, right?
Some rice crops are present, and these crops
Yeah, I got it. You can go to the answer sheet.
help to prevent the rice species from a. The way to answer this question is a bit weird. Different rice crops can be grown. Actually, I'm gonna skip this.
No,
I don't know what's the answer.
Go look at the answer.
Yeah, later. Okay, the answer. What is it? 17.
One we don't. More. No. Yeah. Up a bit. No, down. Yeah. Okay.
No answer.
Okay, but it was school name. Assumption.
Never mind. Okay, I skip out digestion since nobody is being tested. Okay. This dichotomous key. Anyone? Are you tested? Do you know what's a dichotomous key?
No.
Don't know. Okay, skip. Dichotomous key, skip. I'm gonna skip this. Sarah, what are you doing?
She's having trouble opening the door.
What? What are you doing, Sarah? What do you mean you cannot open? Why?
I'm pushing the door.
What are you doing? What? Okay, I'm gonna skip this as well. This under the classification of animals. Okay. Sarah, come on, Sarah. Okay, I'm gonna skip all this. Okay, and then I'm going to the cells part. 22. We go to 22. The cells, that part, right? So this is the part where everyone is.
Okay, Sarah, go back to the answer. Online. And then see question 17 answer.
Okay, look at this. The brain is an organ because
C.
different types of cells working together.
I don't know.
Any other answers? Rachel? Ashley? Huh? A, okay. Different answer. A different answer. Ashley? A, oh. We have 2 in the A gang.
And one in the C.
7 in the C
C
gang.
is overweight, that means I'm gonna lose.
How about Davian and Blossom?
I really want to know the answer.
C gang. Eh?
What did you say?
Huh? 22. Oh, so many in the C gang. 2C, 3C, 2
What did you say, C?
C,
Four.
4C, 2A. Okay, let's take a look. Now you see the brain is an organ because first it has different tissues, it has different organelles. Now this is wrong. B is definitely wrong because organelles are different parts of the cell. Okay. It is part of the nervous system. Yes, it is part of the nervous system, but that doesn't mean it's an organ, so this one is wrong. Change to what?
So
Yeah, change to what? A. Change to A.
B.
So the answer is A. Why?
Why?
Aha. How come? Now this is the hierarchy. You need to know the hierarchy. First cells, followed by what? Tissue.
System and organs.
No. Followed by organ.
System.
Yeah. Then system. So if you look at this, right, the organ is here. So organs are made of tissues. Are you okay? Organs are made of tissues.
No,
Oh. Organs are made of tissue, right? So C says that it has different types of cells. No, it's tissue. Because cells make up tissue, tissue make up organ. Yeah. Okay, next one. So 23. Division of labor is important because division of labor is important because Anyone?
Uh,
David Blossom?
is it A?
Is it A? Anyhow, guess D. Well, we have two, A and D. What else? Actually, D. Okay.
Almost B.
B.
I think it's B. I don't know.
Ashley?
It's only 5:30.
D. Okay. The answer is D. Yay. Okay, because work is broken down into specific tasks for maximum efficiency. That time I gave you the example of McDonald's. They have different people working different things specifically. Like the burger person only do burger. The cashier is just a cashier. Nowadays you don't even need a cashier, right? The cleaning person don't go into the kitchen. Okay. Okay. Next 24. Let's try this.
The cleaning person does go to the kitchen. They clean up.
How? But they have to like. When they're outside, they'll be like outside most of the time. And then they'll go in, but after they go in, they will not suddenly come out because when you're cleaning the floor, you can't be handling food. That's the problem.
And one hand
Huh? No, cannot, don't do that. Next one. So a amoeba had its nucleus removed. Then for several days, it continued to move and feed, but it did not reproduce. A normal amoeba reproduced twice in that time. What can you conclude?
B.
Yeah, B. Right, the nucleus is necessary for reproduction. That's good. Wow, 30 MCQ. Oh, what is it? It looks like a jelly.
That's a cell, right?
Yeah, but which statement is correct about?
But what? Where did they get the cell from?
No, this is like a jelly. Like it's a model. It's a model.
I know, but like what animal was it?
It's called flagellum.
Where did they find it?
Right?
Where did they find it?
Oh, the flagellum is a tail. It's in ponds. Ponds. So this organism is half plant, half animal.
Right. But you still don't know like what is the specific thing.
It's both. It's both animal and plant. But you will say it's an animal because irregular shape. But then it has chloroplast. It can photosynthesize.
And there's a tail also.
Yeah, so it can move. Yeah, it's a half hybrid. Okay, but it's more animal. It's like a human with the ability to photosynthesize, which makes it an animal. Yes, what do you have for this? D. Which statement about A is correct? A is an animal, it doesn't have a cell wall, it's a plant cell. Oh, this question is.
That might be from the fishes. Shit.
Animal cell doesn't have a cell wall. It's a tail, the flagellum is for movement. Okay, so they officially classify it as an animal, if I'm not wrong. Structure, flagella, bacteria. So animal, okay?
Oh, they found it from a bacteria.
Yeah. So D. Alright, so it's an animal cell. Okay, it's like an animal cell with the ability to photosynthesize. Okay, next. Which part of A is the site of many chemical reactions? Where does many chemical reaction take place?
B.
Ask Davian and Blossom for 26. Where does many chemical reaction take place? Yeah, B is correct. Okay, the cytoplasm is where many chemical reaction takes place. Okay, kinetic particle theory, which is condensation. I really feel warm.
It's damn hot.
Yeah, why? But there is very cold. Is it cold?
Exactly. That's why I want to stop.
Actually, no, it's not cold. Is it warm or cold, Rachel? Warm, right? I also feel warm.
On the swap back.
Why? I really feel warm.
Oh,
Like,
the
I'm
thing
gonna
is-
make
the
it
thing is
cold
facing
now,
outwards.
okay? What?
the thing is facing upward.
Yeah, it's like not.
Press you're on your right, a bit right one.
You know this better than me. Hey, okay, which one is condensation? What is the meaning of condensation?
Water.
Water? From what to what?
Liquid to air.
Liquid to air?
No. Eh?
What's
Air to
conden-
liquid.
Yeah, gaseous to liquid, okay? So which one is gaseous? Yeah, A, very good. David is correct. A.
Oh, they very good answer.
Yeah, they very good. A. Which row shows the charge? Okay, subatomic particles. Went through this as well.
Of an atom.
Proton, neutron, electron.
Oh, I forgot this one. No. It's back to
Ah, it's really hot. Why is it so hot?
Cold air.
Wait.
Hey, sorry, you might want to stop back before we turn it down to 18 degrees.
28. Come, which one is the subatomic particle?
It's A.
A. A is wrong.
Right, then it's C.
C is correct.
I can't remember which one is positive and which one is negative.
P for positive.
E for negative.
No. Nothing. And neutral. Neutral, so no charge. Electron. No. Right? So it's C. So hot. Next. Okay, light. Well, we took 1 hour just to do MCQ. We haven't done the open-ended yet. I thought I can finish the whole thing today.
You can be speed running. You can be speed running.
Let's speed run.
Is it D?
D, 29. Okay, David can see the flame because light travel in a straight line. You know? Here, stuck, right? So Alice cannot see. Both Alice and David, so this is wrong. This one is wrong.
E.
Both Alice and cannot see is wrong. Only David, yeah. D. What kind of question is this? Remember this? When a green object is illuminated by a colored light, it appears black. Which color could the light be?
Wait lah. Yellow is what? Last one. Green plus blue, right?
So to answer this question, we need to know the first the three
Blue,
primary.
green, red.
Yeah, RGB.
But I don't know what yellow is.
I don't know. RGB. So red plus blue.
Purple.
Yeah, give you magenta. Okay, I'm gonna put a Y there. Right, blue plus green. These two, cyan, yeah. These two will produce this. These two produce cyan, right? And these two produce red and green, yellow.
Answers.
Wait, so here is tricky. You see, the green object is illuminated, it becomes black. Now, how will a green object look black? So when it's green, what does it mean? That means it absorbs everything except green. Okay, the object will absorb everything except green. That means the light, the light you're shining on it, right, cannot have green because it will reflect green, right? So the answer is D. Right? Because green has no red, and the green object absorbs all except green, which means it absorbs the red color, and then no other color is coming out. So the color, the light must be red in color. Okay, now this is quite tedious. Can we go for 3 minutes break? 3 minutes break. Right, very tedious. Right, then we come back and we'll do the next part.
Why?
Huh? 3 minutes break. Very warm, I feel very warm.
Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna stop back.
I'm gonna walk around.
It's warm though.
No, now it's much better. Just now
What's
was
that hot now?
Because the thing is facing upwards.
3 minutes break. Okay, we need to sort out our air circulation here. Okay, right, 3 minutes break. Come back, then we will look at this one. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah. It's cold air, the cold air coming out. But why is it so warm?
I feel like one day when Jane goes forward, he's gonna be looking down at me.
One day will come soon. Okay, that's very good.
His brother very tall eh.
His mother?
Brother.
How tall is the brother? 1.8.
Two brother.
Two brothers.
Jane.
Cold air? But how the weather so hot?
That's so cool.
It's cold. I mean, it's cold air coming out. Wait, I think it's the weather.
No. It's like one.
Yeah, cold. It used to be colder.
This one is cool.
Lara, we need your height.
Huh? Yeah, you're quite tall already.
Put it down.
Like that?
Yeah.
Then she freeze to death.
Yeah.
I will.
That's the whole point.
Why don't you stop him?
It's okay.
Huh? You sure? You know, you'll be sneezing, you know?
Oh wait, that's me the remote.
No, you very big over.
There's a swing on this side and that side.
Yeah.
But
No?
it doesn't look like it's turning. Then the inside part has to move.
It is not moving. Maybe it's another switch. It's not moving. Not moving.
This is annoying.
Very warm. Ah. You know, we have like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Take a picture of yourself. Ask Ashley, what you want to see? No, what do you want to see? Why take a picture of your head?
That's the back of my head.
Yeah, ask Ashley. What are you looking for? I don't understand you. Do you know what's the temperature nowadays? Temperature Singapore
It's like 35.
37. I think. I'm guessing 37.
Doesn't that mean all the
That's very
ice blocks
hot.
are melted already?
31. No. 32. 31, 32, 27, 31. Right? So it's pretty warm right now.
Yeah, not people judge me.
Climate change. General humidity very high, 64% humidity, right? And then slight wind, mostly cloudy. See the temperature going up. So we are at the hottest right now, 32 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Not bad.
Quite hot actually.
Got 34 before.
Yeah.
I'm very sure this button. Nothing is moving.
It's not.
I'm
Never mind.
spamming the
Okay.
button and nothing is moving.
Alright, don't bother. Okay, we're back. Alright. This David Bossa, are you there?
It's only been 4 minutes. It's not 3 minutes yet.
Huh? David Bossa, are you there? Let's continue. Yes, okay, good. Let's continue. Sorry, we were solving our aircon problem here.
Which we haven't solved.
I think it's better. I can feel more cold air now
I can't.
because they are too far away to this side. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna go through as much as I can. Can I just choose some questions so we can try, like, you know,
Yeah,
this
let's choose no questions.
this have been done before. Okay, this one. Question number 2.
We're gonna kill you, Mr. Tayu.
Hey, what? Look at question number 2. Come, we look at question number 2. Fill in the table. Okay, do now, do now. Hello, question number 2.
Why you
Hey,
cutting
don't
your
cut
hair?
your hair here.
What?
Come on, this
No,
not the.
she, I told you she was cutting Miss Vivian's hair just now.
Hey, shut up. Correct. Please do the correct thing, correct time. Okay.
There's a
Now
baba next door.
it's not the time for you to cut your hair here. Cannot. I don't have to explain to you that. Okay. Please throw away all the whatever stuff that you have cut. Okay, please don't. I mean, you throw in the bag, right?
Yes.
Where? Okay. Just throw it. Okay. I don't want to have to handle this kind of situation. Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to teach science.
In her English notebook, there's a hair.
Hey, now is Rachel also want to cut hair? Do you also want to cut hair? Now you inspire more people to cut their hair. She was like, then the next thing.
I saw something on my.
Oh, you saw something. Okay, okay. Luckily, next thing I know, maybe David also start cutting hair.
Hey, I know if you said that.
Yeah. Got any?
Okay, can I do 2 now? 2? Do 2? 2.
No.
What? No.
No.
I won't cut hair. Legit,
It's
this,
very short.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, copy the table above. What's this? Atomic number 1, 3, 7, 9, 13. Mass number. Okay, this one need the periodic table. Okay, do you have the periodic table? No, you don't have the periodic table. Okay, skip. Sorry, let me skip. Sorry about that. Okay, let's talk about filtration. Now, this is filtration. Separation technique. Okay, let's look at separation technique. Explain how the filter is used to purify water. How does this impure water? So water not pure come in, and whatever comes out will be pure water. So how this filter is used to purify water? Okay, we're gonna have individual work. Let's ask them first. How does the filter? Okay, we have teamwork. Teamwork. Since there's 6 of you, 2, 2, 2. So nothing. 2 online. Then after that, Ashley, Rachel, one group, and then Jim and Sarah, one group. Okay. Okay. So online people, can you explain why? Explain how the filter is used to purify water. Any one of you? Blossom do everything. Don't bully people. Okay.
But I agree with Vivian.
You
No.
bully everyone's thing.
I bully.
Yeah.
How do I bully?
There.
Where?
The screen is bullying.
The screen is bullying. Okay, Blossom and Davian come.
Blossom,
How does the filter? How is the filter used to purify water? Okay, maybe Blossom 1, then Davian 2 lah. So easy. B1, D2.
No, let's let Blossom do everything.
No lah.
Blossom's smarter.
Yeah.
How the filter is used to purify water? And then Davian is 2. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna assign your
No. See, this is
B.
what bullying is.
Yeah, exactly. This thing. Learn
What
from your
happens
mistakes.
to the? Okay, this one Jim.
No.
No. Bullying.
Jim, look at the next one.
Oh, how am I meant to look at the next one?
Do you have the paper?
No, I don't. What are you talking about? I don't have.
Okay, we go one by one. Lost up this one, David this.
What base is that?
Okay, everyone do one. So next one is Sarah, then Rachel, then Ashley.
Bullying.
Okay,
I don't know.
Sarah, come on.
Fun fact, I can't find the page.
Question number 3. We start from question number 3.
Oh, this one, right? Oh, that's the one thing I hate the most.
I don't know.
Just follow the sequence, okay?
No.
Blossom, Davian, Jim, Sarah, Rachel.
Hey.
No.
Main question 3.
Sequence, follow the sequence. Okay, Boston, do you know how the filter is used to purify water?
State the function of reverse osmosis.
David, what's one improvement to improve the quality of filtration? Water pass through the space between the stones and sand. Okay, so let me improve on your answer. Yeah, part 1, Boston. Okay, water pass through the spaces between the stone and sand, and the different layers trap the impurities, so that it does not
Yeah, you can do solo work.
go. Yeah, I asked you all do pair work, you all don't
You do solo work. You do everything.
No, she gave me the answer.
We'll just watch you do.
We started from here. Okay. Okay, next one, Davian. Suggest one improvement that can be made to the design so as to improve the quality of filtration. Okay. So Jim is doing this, and then
No, doing the B
this
one.
one B1, yeah. Sarah is this.
What? She gets the easiest
Rachel is this, and then Ashley.
Where did she get the easiest one?
Ashley is this one. Okay, yeah, you know what?
That's the easiest one.
Stop complaining.
I got like the worst one to do. Especially I'm so dumb.
Okay, David.
I'm double.
One improvement to improve the quality of filtration.
My answer is just it becomes lesser. Done. Can I?
Wait for David. Still very warm. Feel warm.
Yeah.
Here at the corner here feel very warm. Yeah, no air circulation.
Can you just add like an aircon over there?
Cannot.
You move that one there.
I think it's the aircon. Must get the person to check.
To remove salts and dissolve.
Okay, wait. Davian first. Davian, come.
They will just make the pores smaller on the filter paper something.
He's thinking. I give. Okay, so Jim suggests to. Okay, you can add more layers, right? Add more layers of sand or stones.
Or gravel.
Yeah, or gravel. That's it.
Or paper.
No need paper. Just add more layers. Increase the number of layers, right? Once you increase the number of layers, the water has to flow through longer. Then, or you can reduce the size of the items. Okay, reduce the size. Next one. Okay, Jim, what do you say? What happens to the amount of dissolved soil as it passes through the semi-permeable membrane?
It becomes lesser.
Okay, it's reduced. Right, the amount of salt is being reduced. Next. Sarah, what's the function of reverse osmosis?
Remove dissolved salts from water.
To obtain what? Obtain? What do you want to obtain?
To remove.
I know, you remove so that what do you want?
New water.
Yeah, to obtain water.
It's 551.
Clean water. Okay, next one. Figure shows partially permeable membrane used to represent microfiltration. Why only chemical molecules and dissolved salts are able to pass through? Rachel? What? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the chemical molecules dissolve salts are small enough to pass through the pores of the partially membrane. Okay, so it's about the size, right? Whereas the rest are too big. You see the solid and microorganism, they're too big. So only dissolved salt and chemical molecule can pass through. So this is how the new water works, right? They make use of this kind of membranes. That's very small. Next one. Ashley, what is the separation technique? Ashley, what is the name of the separation technique? Ashley, what's the name of the? I don't know. Okay, distillation. It's called distillation. Okay. Who's next? Okay, who's next? Blossom. Blossom David. Jim.
Yes, I got something to say.
Okay, Blossom, what is
I
X?
know the answer.
Okay, what's the answer?
Spread the heat.
Spread the heat. Okay,
Something like that.
to ensure smooth boiling.
Wait.
Yeah, it's not really spread the heat. Okay, the Tshirt is to ensure smooth boiling. Okay, Blossom and David.
She said condenser.
Condenser. What's B? Sorry, X.
What's B?
X. Yeah, very good. It's called the condenser. Condenser. Y is pure water. Very good. Okay, next one, Sarah. D. Suggest the identity of the solvent and justify your answer. During the process, the thermometer indicated 100 degrees Celsius. So what is the solvent? Sarah, do you know? Sarah,
She died.
Rachel,
It's okay, she has to do the next 3 questions now.
huh? What is the identity of the solvent? Water, very good.
Okay, Sarah does the next.
Okay, wait, why? Wait, how do you know this water?
The boiling point of water is
Yeah. Correct. The boiling point of water is 100 Celsius. Okay, so based on the information that is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius, it has to be water. Alright, next one is
Sarah will
yours.
do next two.
Coca-Cola is a concentrated sugar. What will happen if the unknown solution is replaced by Coca-Cola? So if we replace this with Coke, what will happen?
Black solid will be formed.
What? Black solid form?
Huh?
No, you put Coke here, what happened?
No, it's 555.
What will come to Y?
Water. Clean water.
Solid will be formed. And water will be
Clean water or pure water will be collected at Y.
Because the water and the Coke evaporated.
Yeah, because at
condensed into water droplets.
yeah, at 100
And
degrees.
passed through the condenser, which cooled it down even more. Right? Yeah. Making it into water. I like how Sarah didn't do the question.
I'll do question 5, the whole question.
Okay, whole question 5. She's doing the whole question 5. And this is your water.
Okay, so if you put Coke inside and then you boil the thing will go out, right? Water will come out. Okay, next one, onion. Name the parts. Okay, Sarah, redeem yourself. What is A?
A is a
Yeah, cell wall. What is B? What? Nucleus. CLEUS. What C?
C is a
Vacuole. Okay, D.
submembrane.
Yeah, membrane. E. Yeah, cytoplasm.
Okay, now you should do B.
Am I Ashley? What is the function of D? Ashley?
It's just an actual pencil.
Nope. What is the function of D? D is the cell membrane. Ashley. What's the other one? The substance? Did you say substance in and out of the cell? Ah, okay. So it controls the
No, what you're doing is spoiling it.
control. Hey, don't spoil my thing. Huh?
She used strength and then she wrote on the paper, so there was black part. And then she said it's a pencil.
It's not meant to do that, no.
It's meant to be
It's
for the
still
screen.
working, huh? Yeah.
Wait, right. Let's see how much meter you can write it.
Say the function of the cell. It allows
Okay, that's even worse.
certain
It should be easier and better. That's even worse.
to enter and exit.
You know these videos are ready.
What? Okay, what's the property of D that allows it to perform its function?
What's D?
D is the cell membrane.
I do.
I don't know.
What's so special about D that can
It
do
allows
this?
substances to go in and out.
Yeah, what's so special?
It can allow the good stuff to come in.
No.
It's the only thing that can do that. That's what's so special about it.
What does it have?
A semi
Ah, yeah.
permeable.
Yeah, very good. Right, so D has a semi-permeable
Okay,
membrane.
bye-bye. It's 5:59.
What?
It's 5:59. It's very late. Yeah, please.
D has a semi-permeable membrane. Right? Is there another one? Let me see. Okay, finish the bio. B has material that can control heredity. What are the parts? What are the materials in B?
I don't know.
DNA. Yay.
Genetic information.
Very good. Then predict what will happen to the cell if part A was removed. What's A?
Cell.
A is the cell wall. Cell wall. Wow. You're right. Not die. The cell will burst. The cell will burst.
So that means the house will burst if there's no wall.
No, it will just expand and.
I gave you 6 marks for science.
Ooh, very good. Okay.
Not safe. It's 2 marks.
Now we still have some other stuff to go through, but I'm going to get you to bring the paper back. Okay.
Yes.
Bring it back.
Don't bring it back.
No, bring it back. Bring home.
Like don't bring it
Because
back.
I don't know. No. Think. You know why? Because I don't know if they will have any suddenly telling us to stay at home or whatever. Okay. So as of now, it still come here, right? But they always delay by 1 week for so far. Okay. We'll play by ear as we go along.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Uncle, let's go.
What?
KTV station.
What?
A laptop. They supposed to do the show.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. See you. Bye bye, Blossom. Bye bye, Davian. Bye bye. Bye bye,
I
all.
hope we can travel by this year.
I doubt so.
I want to see you.
I